Welcome to Trendy Flix, your ultimate destination for the latest in movies, TV shows, and streaming trends. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the entertainment curve. Rep. Jordan urges Congress to defund lawfare activities of Trump prosecutors. Jordan's proposal targets Special Counsel Jack Smith, Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis, EXCLUSIV. House Judiciary Committee Chairman Jim Jordan, R. Ohio, told Fox News Digital he is proposing an appropriations package that would defund the lawfare activities of state and federal prosecutors leading politically sensitive investigations, pointing specifically to Special Counsel Jack Smith, Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, and Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. The proposal comes just days after former President Donald Trump was convicted on all 34 counts of falsifying business records, stemming from charges brought against him by Bragg. Trump is also currently awaiting a Supreme Court ruling on whether he is immune from charges brought against him by Smith in his January 6 investigation, awaiting a trial date on charges brought from Smith's classified records case, and awaiting a trial date on charges brought by Willis in Georgia. Jordan sent his proposal Monday. A House Appropriations Chairman Tom Cole, R. Okla, Fox News Digital obtained the letter and his proposal. The Committee on the Judiciary and its Select Subcommittee on the Weaponization of the Federal Government continue to conduct vigorous oversight over the Biden administration in an effort to protect Americans' fundamental freedoms, Jordan wrote. Last year, Jordan helped to implement reforms through the appropriations process, including proposals to prohibit the funding of politically sensitive investigations, protect whistleblowers against retaliation, prevent taxpayer funds from being used to implement radical regulations, prohibit the funding of disastrous Biden immigration policies, and stop the funding of government censorship, among other proposals, which were included in subcommittee or full committee passed bills. Jordan said he hopes to build on that work for fiscal year 2025. Jordan said he has spent the year conducting oversight of the troubling rise in politicized prosecutions and the use of abusive lawfare tactics to target political opponents. "We have seen rogue prosecutors abuse the rules of professional conduct and their duty to do justice in service of politicized ends," he said. Jordan recommended the 2025 fiscal year appropriations package include language to eliminate federal funding for state prosecutors or state attorneys general involved in lawfare, and to zero out federal funding for federal prosecutors engaged in such abuse. Jordan noted that the House Judiciary has already passed specific bills that would help to address politicized prosecutions, the No More Political Prosecutions Act and the Forfeiture Funds Expenditure Transparency Act. "Never forget these key facts," Jordan said in an exclusive interview with Fox News Digital. Alvin Bragg campaigned on how he's going to get Trump. Once he gets in and sees how ridiculous this case is, he says he cannot envision a world where he would indict President Trump and call Michael Cohen as a prosecution witness, but he does just that after. This is key. After President Trump announces he's running for president. Jordan then pointed to Willis, who was investigating 2020 election interference in Fulton County, Georgia. Fani Willis starts her investigation in February of 2021. She doesn't do anything with it, doesn't indict, until after President Trump announces he is running for president, Jordan said. And maybe the biggest one is Jack Smith, who, 3 days after President Trump announces he's running for president, Merrick Garland appoints him as special counsel, Jordan added. Jordan told Fox News Digital that all of these things are completely driven by politics. Jordan said the purpose of his proposal is to defund the lawfare activities. Trump pleaded not guilty to all charges stemming from Bragg's, Smith's, and Willis investigations. Separately, Jordan proposed to Chairman Cole that Congress focus on reining in abusive federal law enforcement agencies. Jordan said his committee has received testimony this year about egregious abuses, misallocation of federal law enforcement